How many of you still have kids that still behave in the way you don't want them to do? Right? And it's just a continuous thing over and over. So if you say, I like the way to 20 kids, what happens to all the kids? If I say I like the way you're sitting crisscross and nobody's sitting crisscross, what happens? They all like crisscross the Tron, like they just transform, right? So they all sit crisscross applesauce because you say I like the way. But I want you to notice something because, like I said, this only works for about 90% of the kids. So if I say, I like the way you're sitting up straight. 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 Okay, so now, what did I want you to do? How many of you knew I wanted you to sit up straight? How many, all of you, yeah, got it. How many of you caught yourself making a choice not to sit up straight? Yeah, that's fine. And like, I wanted you to sit up straight. How many of you were even like about to sit up straight and then you told yourself not to sit up straight? Yeah, it's fine. And then as I slowly pan over, the closer that my eyes get to you when you're sitting intentionally crooked, what happens? Well, some sit up straight, some don't even sit up straight, some just get so excited. And then they're like, you're gonna look at me, you're gonna look at me, you're gonna look at me, and how are you sitting, you're not sitting up straight, right? And then you wonder why your kids are spiteful.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.